Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. A Forest Reborn, the genius of Akira Miyawaki. Akira Miyawaki, a renowned Japanese botanist, dedicated his life to restoring nature's balance. He believed in the power of native forests to heal the planet. His groundbreaking work led to the development of the Miyawaki Technique, a revolutionary approach to afforestation. This method, rooted in the principles of natural forest regeneration, has transformed barren lands into thriving ecosystems worldwide. Miyawaki's passion for nature stemmed from his observation that Japan's post-war industrialization had led to the widespread destruction of native forests. He realized the urgent need to restore these vital ecosystems. His research revealed that traditional afforestation methods often failed to create truly biodiverse and resilient forests. This realization fueled his quest to develop a more effective approach. Miyawaki's extensive studies of ancient Japanese forests, particularly those surrounding shrines and temples, provided him with invaluable insights. These forests, untouched for centuries, showcased the remarkable resilience and biodiversity of native ecosystems. Inspired by these natural wonders, Miyawaki sought to replicate their success in degraded areas. His tireless efforts culminated in the development of the Miyawaki Technique, a method that mimics nature's own processes to create dense, fast-growing, and biodiverse forests. This innovative approach has since gained global recognition for its effectiveness in restoring degraded landscapes and combating environmental degradation.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Planting the seeds of change. The Miyawaki Method Unveiled. The Miyawaki Technique is a meticulously crafted process that transforms barren land into thriving forests within a remarkably short period. This method emphasizes the use of native tree species, carefully selected to recreate the natural biodiversity of the region. The process begins with a thorough assessment of the soil conditions. Soil testing helps determine the specific needs of the land and guides the selection of appropriate soil amendments. Once the soil is prepared, a diverse mix of native tree saplings is planted densely, mimicking the natural competition found in forests. This dense planting, often 3 to 5 times denser than conventional methods, encourages rapid vertical growth as trees compete for sunlight. The close proximity of different species also fosters a symbiotic relationship between plants, promoting healthy growth and resilience. Regular watering and weeding are crucial in the early stages to ensure the survival and healthy establishment of the young trees. As the forest matures, it becomes increasingly self-sufficient, requiring minimal human intervention. The dense canopy shades out weeds, while the interconnected root systems enhance water retention and nutrient cycling. The Miyawaki Technique, with its emphasis on native species and dense planting, accelerates forest development, creating a self-sustaining ecosystem capable of providing numerous ecological benefits.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Urban Oasis: Benefits of Miyawaki Forests in Concrete Jungles. The Miyawaki Technique transforms barren urban spaces into lush green havens, combating air pollution and mitigating the urban heat island effect. These mini-forests also conserve biodiversity and provide psychological benefits for urban dwellers.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Prayagraj's Green Miracle, a testament to Miyawaki's vision. Prayagraj in India showcases the Miyawaki Technique's power. In preparation for Mahakumbh 2025, 56,000 square meters were transformed into Miyawaki forests. Over 100,000 saplings of 40 native species were planted. The once barren land is now a lush green oasis. Trees grew to 10, 12 feet in just 2 years. The forest teems with life, providing habitat for various species. The project proves Miyawaki's effectiveness in urban settings. It improved air quality, reduced noise, and provided a green lung. This transformation inspired similar initiatives across India. Prayagraj's model demonstrates the Miyawaki Technique's potential.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 5. Mahakumbh 2025. A greener gathering with Miyawaki's touch. The Mahakumbh, held every 12 years in Prayagraj, is one of the largest religious gatherings in the world. Millions of pilgrims from across the globe converge on the city to participate in this sacred event. The influx of such a massive crowd poses significant environmental challenges. the pressure on resources, waste management, and sanitation becomes immense. Recognizing these challenges, the authorities have taken proactive steps to mitigate the environmental impact of the Mahakumbh 2025. The creation of Miyawaki forests is a key element of this sustainable approach. These forests will not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the city, but also provide numerous ecological benefits during the Mahakumbh. The dense vegetation will help absorb dust and noise pollution generated by the massive crowds. The trees will also provide much-needed shade, mitigating the heat and creating a more comfortable environment for the pilgrims. Moreover, the forests will serve as a natural carbon sink, offsetting some of the carbon emissions associated with the event. By integrating the Miyawaki technique into the Mahakumbh's infrastructure, Prayagraj is setting a commendable example of sustainable event management.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 6. Beyond Prayagraj, the global impact of Miyawaki forests. The Miyawaki technique, once confined to the shores of Japan, has now taken root in diverse corners of the globe. From the bustling metropolises of Europe to the arid landscapes of Africa, Miyawaki forests are sprouting up, offering a beacon of hope for environmental restoration. In the Netherlands, Miyawaki forests are being integrated into urban planning to combat air pollution and enhance biodiversity. In Belgium, schools are embracing the technique, creating mini-forests as outdoor classrooms and fostering environmental awareness among students. In India, the Miyawaki technique has gained significant traction, with numerous projects underway to restore degraded lands, create urban green spaces, and combat the effects of climate change. From the concrete jungles of Mumbai to the coastal plains of Chennai, Miyawaki forests are transforming landscapes and inspiring communities. In Africa, the technique is being employed to combat desertification and restore degraded ecosystems. Miyawaki forests are providing a sustainable source of fuel wood, fodder, and medicinal plants, empowering local communities and improving their livelihoods. The global embrace of the Miyawaki technique underscores its effectiveness and adaptability. It highlights the growing recognition of the urgent need for ecological restoration and the potential of nature-based solutions to address environmental challenges.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 7. Nurturing our future. The importance of environmental stewardship. The success of the Miyawaki technique serves as a powerful reminder of our interconnectedness with nature. It underscores the importance of environmental stewardship and the need for collective action to protect and restore our planet. As we witness the devastating impacts of climate change, deforestation, and pollution, it is imperative that we prioritize environmental conservation. The Miyawaki technique offers a practical and effective tool to restore degraded ecosystems, mitigate climate change, and create a more sustainable future. By embracing sustainable practices, reducing our ecological footprint, and supporting initiatives that promote environmental restoration, we can make a tangible difference. Every individual has a role to play in safeguarding the health of our planet for present and future generations. Educating ourselves and future generations about the importance of environmental conservation is crucial. By fostering a sense of responsibility and empowering individuals to take action, we can create a ripple effect that extends far beyond our immediate surroundings.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 8. A call to action, planting the seeds for a greener tomorrow. The Miyawaki technique is more than just a method of afforestation. It is a call to action, a reminder that we have the power to heal the planet. It is an invitation to reconnect with nature, to become active participants in the restoration of our environment. Whether it is planting a tree in our backyard, supporting organizations involved in afforestation efforts, or advocating for policies that promote environmental conservation, every step we take counts. Let us embrace the Miyawaki spirit of innovation, determination, and unwavering belief in the power of nature. Together, we can create a greener, healthier, and more sustainable future for all. Let us plant the seeds of change today and nurture them with care, knowing that our efforts will bear fruit for generations to come. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 9. Conclusion. Embracing Miyawaki's legacy for a sustainable future. Akira. Miyawaki's legacy extends far beyond the forest he helped create. His unwavering dedication to ecological restoration, his innovative spirit, and his profound respect for nature continue to inspire individuals and communities worldwide. The Miyawaki technique stands as a testament to the power of human ingenuity to heal the planet. It offers a beacon of hope in the face of environmental degradation, reminding us that even in the most challenging of circumstances, nature can be restored. As we move forward, let us embrace Miyawaki's vision of a world where humans and nature coexist in harmony. Let us continue to plant the seeds of change, nurture the forests of tomorrow, and work together to create a sustainable future for all. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia.